Hello, my name is Álvaro and I explain you the rock cycle. The rock cycle, there are three types of rock. The sedimentary rocks, for example sandstone, the magmatic rocks, for example basalt, and the metamorphic rocks, for example gneiss. Okay, I go into the volcano to explain this part. Okay, the first is the sedimentary rocks. Forms when transverse materials compact and sedimentation. Okay, if I throw this material go into the water and compacting in sedimentation. Okay, the magmatic rocks is the second type. There are two types. The plutonic rocks are formed from magma that solidificate and have crystals. That one example is the granite. And the second is the volcanic rocks are formed from lava that cools and solidificates. One example is if I take lava and put into the water for obsidian, that are an example. Okay, I go here and explain you the third type, that are the metamorphic rocks. This forms when the sedimentary or the igneous rock have increased change in the temperature or pressure, for example the quartzite. And I do experiment. Okay, I put the fire. If I throw this obsidian here and take compaction, that are this, I take and have and transform with cobblestone. If I enter, this is a cobble, and this is the three types of rocks into the rock cycle. Bye bye.
We are going to talk about rocks. Okay, these are sedimentary rocks. I'm going to explain you sedimentary rocks. This is an example. Coal is an organic rock. Under some conditions, the plant debris accumulates and does not decompose. Okay, this is clay, a classic rock. Sedimentation or consolidation of small fragments. It forms clay. Okay, sedimentary is explained. Now let's go over volcanic and plutonic. Okay. This is a plutonic rock and this is a volcanic rock. Plutonic rocks are formed more slowly and inside the earth. They form crystals. And volcanic rocks are formed quickly and they don't form crystals. This is obsidian and this is granite. Okay, let's go over metamorphic. Let me explain metamorphic. Metamorphic are rocks that, when igneous and sedimentary rocks transform under some pressure, that they move perpendicular to the pressure and they form sheets structure. Okay, now this is an example of metamorphic quartz. I think the correct one is quartzite, but I didn't find it, so I put quartz. Okay. So you know about volcanic, metamorphic, and sedimentary. Goodbye.
Hello, my name is Paula, and this is my project. Igneous rocks. They are formed from molten rocks from the mantle. There are two types. Are formed from lava that cools down and solidifies on the Earth's surface. This process is very quickly, so they don't have any crystals. Sometimes they can have holes. And this is an example, obsidian. Plutonic rocks are formed from magma underground that cools down and solidifies under the Earth's surface. This process is very slow and it happens under a lot of pressure, so they have big crystals. Metamorphic rocks. These rocks started out as some other type of rock, but have been changed from their original type. They form when other rocks are subject to extreme heat or high pressure, very deep underground. Some metamorphic rocks are formed parallel sheets or layers. Sedimentary rocks. These rocks have formed from the compaction of sediments or fragments of other rocks. There are different types of sedimentary rocks, with varying size of grains. And this is my project. Thank you for watching. Bye.
My name is Bruno, and I am going to explain the rock cycle. Igneous rocks. There are two types of igneous rock, plutonic or volcanic rocks. Volcanic rocks. Volcanic rocks are a type of rock formed when lava or magma cools. This rapid cooling causes small crystals to form in the rock. That is, it crystallizes in the so-called microcrystal, which gives an appearance similar to that of glass, as we can see in obsidian. Plutonic rocks. Plutonic rocks or intrusive rocks are those that they form from slow cooling at great depth in large masses or magma, such as granite. Now I am going to explain metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks form when rocks are exposed to heat pressure, or both heat and pressure. Metamorphic rocks typically form at plate boundaries and adjacent to magma intrusions. The appearance of the rock is fine-grained, such as slate, which is one of the most common. And finally, I am going to explain sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are those formed by the accumulation of material and particles, by chemical precipitation, or by the growth of organisms in subaerial or underwater mire or lacustrine conditions, as is the case of the sandstone that goes down the waterfall. Thank you very much for listening to me. Goodbye.
Hi, my name is Gabriel Rosado.
And my name is Diego.
And I'm going to explain the rock cycle. I'm going to talk it and Diego made the overview. If we go inside the volcano, we can see on the left side volcanic rocks and another plutonic rocks. Volcanic rocks, some examples are basalt, andesite. We continue, we can see another types of volcanic rocks such as obsidian or volcanic tuff. All of these rocks haven't got crystals because they have a very quick outward and cool. Now we are going to see plutonic rocks. Some examples are granite and greenstone. They have crystals because they have a slow, cool and outward. Another types are gabbro, syenite and tonalite. Now we are going to go outside to show you sedimentary rocks and all of the types and metamorphic rocks. so the ocean is big, has more water. And here are plastic rocks. Sorry, I'm going to say the types of sedimentary rocks. Here are evaporated rocks that are materials dissolved in the water. When it falls, as you can see, they have minerals such as giselle and halite. And now, bioprecipitation rocks. The phytoplankton and mollusks are the responsible to that the carbonate calcium precipitate and from rocks like limestone. And now, metamorphic rocks that are, for example, when sedimentary rocks like limestone that we can see here, if it increase in pressure or temperature, make metamorphic rocks. All of them have seed extractors. An example is quartz, like this. And one other type of the rocks that I didn't say is organic rocks. These rocks are made of plant debris that don't decompose and form coal and petroleum. And this is our project. By
Diego and Gabriel. Bye.
Welcome to Types of Rock and Rock Cycle by Arturo Lavado Santos. The rock cycle starts when a erosion rock falls into a lake. Thanks to sedimentation and consolidation, sedimentary rocks are formed. This is an example. When the pressure of the sedimentary rocks increases, metamorphic rocks are formed. After that, the metamorphic rocks fusion with the magma, but igneous rocks form with a slow cooling. They are igneous rock, plutonics. Another option is that it fusions with the magma, but unlike the other time, it is fast cooling and is a igneous rock but volcanic. After, the volcano expels the rocks and they fall in one place and the rock cycle repeats again. Bye! Thanks for watching.
Hi Guillermo, I'm Daniel and I'm going to explain my work about how the rocks form and what types are. Now we are going to explain you the igneous rocks. In igneous rocks we have volcanic rocks. In volcanic rocks it forms oxygen forms that with eruption of a volcanic with a water. Now we have plutonic rocks. In plutonic rocks we have lava and granite. Now we're going to explain sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks. In sedimentary rocks, we have sedimentary rocks and clastic rocks, and the example of a rock is sandstone. Organic rocks, petroleum and coal. It is petroleum and it is coal. And evaporation rocks, that is halite, and that you can see here, evaporate rocks, halite. Now we are going to explain metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks forms by an increase in pressure, and it forms marble with lava. In final, I am going to go to sleep in my house, the Daniel's house.
Hello, I'm going to describe the rock cycle. The first type of rocks are the volcanic rocks. It's produced because of a very fast change in the temperature of a volcano. For example, this volcano. The next type are the plutonic rocks. Here we have the plutonic rocks that they cool slowly deep inside the earth. The next type are the metamorphic rocks that are produced because of a very fast change in the temperature. Slowly? No, fast. The next type are the fossils that can be found underground the earth, and they are made of animal bones or other residues of their activity. And the last type are the sedimentary rocks. That are produced because of the sediments inside the water. There is the sedimentary rock. And this is the rock cycle. Bye.